Hey, Coach Greg here with Spot Training. Today is day 5 of our new year reset. We're gonna be focusing still on full body, but primarily our core. So let's have fun, let's get started. All right, we're gonna start off with a standing hip squeeze. Typically, this glute bridge would be the one that we use. We'll show that floor modification for you guys, but you can also do this standing. All we're trying to do is really squeeze our bum and our core at the same time. So it's almost like a mini squat, and as you come up, you are tilting, squeezing your glutes, and then releasing. So it's just a mini squat. Again, a glute bridge would be the best activation for your glutes and your core, but the standing one works just as well. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So like I said, it's a mini squat, boom, squeeze at the top, just like this. So squeeze, you're feeling it in your lower abs and your glutes, and you're turning. Even this simple movement right here works as well. There it is, make sure you're breathing. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have a bird dog. Again, floor modification for you guys, but standing also works. We are just gonna have our feet shoulder width apart. We're hinging from our hips, trying to get parallel to the ground. You can have both arms, without knocking over your timer, you can have both arms right out near your ears, and then we're just alternating, kicking out one leg, trying to get parallel to the ground, back, and then the next leg. Again, it's a little easier on the ground because you can use your knees as support, but this works great too. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Arms out in front, kicking back. You can keep both arms extended for balance, or you can bring it back with that leg. Really focuses on your mobility, stability, everything. There it is. Also bend your knees slightly to really keep yourself from falling. There it is, 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh, I feel that in my core and my whole body. That's why I love bird dogs. Next, we're gonna do a chest press to fly. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you're just squeezing your hands together, bringing out in front, and then opening up as if you're hugging the world, squeezing your back muscles, squeezing the air in front of you. And again, I'll turn to the side for you. So you're here, pressing your hands away, opening up your arms as wide as you can, squeezing, right back to center, just like this. Focus on your core with this. Like push the ground away with your feet, brace with your core, even though yes, you're working out your chest, but it is a full body movement here. One more, press, open, and done. Great job. All right, next we have a side leg raise. Now we're working on those obliques. We'll just alternate raising one leg out to the side. Boom, just like that. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom, really squeeze. Try to stay upright. Try not to lean with it because then you're not really activating your core. Try to point with the blade of your foot. Don't turn your foot outward because then we're working out here. We're not working out here. And again, don't worry so much about height. If all you can get to is right here, but you're feeling it in your obliques, then you are doing a great job, my friend. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, and done. And last, we have a torso twist. Stand with your feet a little past shoulder width, brace, push the ground away with your feet, especially with your core, and we're twisting from side to side, trying to get that elbow back, just like that. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So really turn with it, brace with your lower body, pushing the ground away. Imagine your abs doing the work. Think of yourself like a rubber band. You're getting twisted up and boom, rebounding right back to the center. You're doing amazing. Couple more seconds here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and done. All right, first set done and dusted. Grab some water and let's get started with set number 2. Standing hip squeeze, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, two, one, done. Bird dog, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Chest press to fly. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Side leg raise. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Torso twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Come on, let's finish day 5 strong with set 3, starting right now. Standing hip squeeze, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Bird dog, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Chest press to fly. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Side leg raise. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Torso twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. And there you have it. That's day 5, done and dusted. Give yourself one of these and one of these, because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me in this workout. And you are at officially the halfway mark for our New Year Reset Challenge. 5 more days to go, so keep up that momentum. We are proud of you. You should be proud of you. And we will see you later. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.